Hello everyone, welcome back to our NABH training series. Today we will discuss IPC.4, which is a continuation of IPC.3, but here the focus shifts. IPC.3 was about clinical areas. IPC.4 is about support services. And let me tell you very clearly, infection does not start only from patients. It spreads from environment, housekeeping, linen, kitchen, air, and waste systems. And during NABH assessment, assessors will physically inspect these areas, not just documents, but actual practices. So today, I will explain each objective element in detail, what assessors actually check, practical hospital implementation, common NC and exact closure. Let's begin. Standard overview. IPC.4 states, the organization implements infection prevention and control processes in support services. Simplified understanding, infection control must extend beyond clinical care, environment must be safe, support systems must be controlled. This is about environment, process control, hygiene systems. Engineering controls, infrastructure-based infection prevention. Let's start with the first element. The organization has appropriate engineering controls to prevent infections. What does this include? Proper hospital design, adequate spacing between beds, 1 to 2 meters, proper ventilation, OT requirements, zoning, sterile, clean, dirty, air handling systems, air quality management, AHU maintenance, filter cleaning or replacement, duct cleaning, water quality, safe water supply, regular testing, implementation, preventive maintenance schedules, logbooks for AHU and water testing. AMC records, example, unclean air ducts, fungal infection risk, NC, assessor check, show AHU maintenance records, show water quality reports. Construction or renovation control, ICRA, next, very critical but often ignored, infection risks during construction must be controlled. What is required? ICRA, infection control risk assessment, implementation, before construction, risk assessment, during work, dust barriers, restricted movement, separate pathways, after work, deep cleaning, clearance. Example, renovation near ICU without barrier, infection spread, major NC, assessor expectation. IPC team involvement must be documented. Housekeeping practices. Next, very important core element, housekeeping must be properly implemented. What must be ensured? Clean environment in wards, ICU, OT, toilets, corridors. Types of cleaning. Routine, terminal, spill cleaning. Critical requirements, no dry dusting, wet mopping only, separate cleaning equipment for ICU, OT, general areas, standard disinfectants, proper dilution, defined usage, documentation, cleaning checklists, supervisor verification, disinfectant logs. Example, dust found on surfaces, NC, assessor observation. They will physically inspect corners, bed rails. Biomedical Waste Management. Next, another core element. Biomedical waste must be handled safely. Key requirements. Segregation at source, color coding, yellow, red, white, blue. PPE usage, safe storage, disposal via authorized vendor. Monitoring, BMW audits, daily supervision. Example, mixed waste in one bin, major NC, assessor focus. They may open bins and check segregation. Laundry or linen management. Next, laundry and linen, proper handling of linen is essential. Process flow, dirty, collection, transport, washing, storage, distribution. Key controls, dirty and clean linen separation, covered transport, PPE usage. Washing, proper temperature, disinfection. Storage, clean and dry. Outsourced laundry, vendor monitoring, quality checks. Example, dirty linen transported openly, NC. Kitchen or food hygiene, final element, kitchen sanitation. Food must be handled safely and hygienically. Key requirements, clean kitchen environment, safe food handling, separate areas, storage, preparation, no cross-contamination. Food safety practices, food covered, stored off the floor, proper refrigeration, pest control, staff hygiene, food temperature control, hot food hot, cold food cold. Screening, food handlers. Documentation, cleaning logs, temperature logs, pest control records. Example, food kept uncovered, contamination, NC, kitchen is a major infection source. Common NABH, non-CONFORMITIES, NC1, poor housekeeping practices. Closure, cleaning SOP, staff training, monitoring. NC2, Incorrect BMW segregation. Closure, color coding training, daily audits. NC3. No ICRA for construction. Closure, implement ICRA tool, IPC team involvement. NC4. Linen mixing, dirty or clean. Closure, separate flow, SOP compliance. NC5. Poor kitchen hygiene. Closure, food safety SOP, regular inspection. NC6. No engineering maintenance records. Closure, maintain logs, AMC schedules. NC7. Improper disinfectant usage. Closure, standard dilution charts.